Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Patrice, and today we're going to be doing yet another unboxing. So I purchased a few things from 143 Vinyl. A link will be listed below. I have become a 143 Vinyl affiliate, and I have a link listed below in case you're interested in any of the items that I purchased today, or if you are interested in getting anything from 143 Vinyl, a link will be listed below. But y'all, we are about to unbox a package that I purchased from 143 Vinyl. Okay, so I'm not going to use everything that I purchased. It's just some things for me to try out and make a few things. I did purchase some HTV because that's where I started. And HTV is still definitely a thing, and I wanted to use some puff vinyl for a design that I am making. So I have that, but we're not going to make that today. We are going to actually play around with some of the acrylic pieces that I purchased from them. I'm super excited about opening them up and testing them out and seeing what I can do with it. So let's get to unboxing. Okay, y'all, so here's what I ordered from 143 Vinyl. So I ordered StarCraft HTV 3D Puff. I ordered a few of those, black, white, and apple green. I also ordered a 12 by 12 sheet of StarCraft Magic and Deceit Glitter Gunmetal. I ordered a new pen in rose gold, and I ordered some acrylic blanks that I am excited about trying out. Okay, so here are the acrylic blanks. We'll look at that soon, which I really like that they have that option. Yes, I do have a laser, but I just found it so convenient to be able to get these, and based on their website, you can also download the template so that you can set your images within the acrylic cut. All right, so let's look at what we have first. And so this is the Easy Puff HTV. So we're going to, of course, use that. We have, this is the StarCraft Puff Vinyl. That's in a 12 by 12 sheet. And this has to be so I have 3 of these. Yep, so this is the black StarCraft HTV 3D Puff Vinyl. This is the StarCraft Magic in Gunmetal. I have 2 of these sheets, and it's very, very pretty. I love how this looks. And so that's all the vinyl and HTV that we have. And here is our pen tool in rose gold. And then we have our acrylic blanks. So this is a class of 2023 blank. And so it's blue here, but you just peel off the protective sheet on top. And so we're going to try to do possibly UV printing with it, and also see what we could do with our Cricut with it as well. And I also have these blowhorns, great for some cheer keychains. I'm really excited about trying them out. So let's see what we can get done. Okay, so before we work with the acrylic blanks, we need to head over to 143vinyl.com, and this is the website where all of the items came from. And to locate the acrylic blanks, you're just going to click on blanks, and we want acrylics. And so they also have here the acrylic SVG file downloads, and that's what we want. That's what we need so that we'll be able to place our image correctly onto the blank. So we're going to click here to download SVG files. And here are all of the different acrylic blanks they have. And these are the files. So if you want to design inside of Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, Silhouette Studio, Inkscape, you can just download the file and you will be able to customize your design. The design that we're going to need to download is the 2023 Hats Off to the Grad design. So I'm just going to select that. and this is the file. And I am going to head up to File, and we're going to select Save As. And we are going to save this as an SVG, and it's going to go in my Documents folder. But I do want you to note the size of the design. It's listed inside of the file name, because that's what you'll need to make sure that it is sized as when you import it into your design software. Sometimes it comes in correctly, sometimes it doesn't, so you may have to resize it. And so this particular keychain is a 3.006 wide by 2.235 high. So now we're going to head to our Finder, and I am just going to select the file that we saved, and it opened up into Adobe Illustrator for me. And right now that is measuring at 3.006 by 2.235, which I believe is the correct sizing. And I can see the size here in the window. Now I'm ready to design the keychain, and I am going to use the cut file that they have attached for if you're going to be using vinyl to create the PNG that I'm going to be using to print with the UV printer. And I am going to place the numbers on top of the keychain, and I am increasing the stroke or the thickness of those letters because I actually want to go ahead and place pictures inside of those letters, and that's what I'm doing right now. So I increased the stroke, and then I just expanded it and turned it into a compound path. So now that is one part of the design, and I am drawing inside of the letters, so that way I can just place the numbers or place the pictures inside of the numbers and reposition them as needed. So I will be using 2 to 3 pictures inside and just adjusting the size accordingly. So now that I have the pictures inside as I want, I do want to go ahead and place a logo of the school inside of the keychain also. And that's just what I'm doing. I did it the same way by drawing inside of the actual piece of the acrylic. And so now I'm inside of my RIP software, and this is the Acrylic software. And I'm placing the design inside of there. I'm just making sure that I note the output position, so that way when I get ready to place the actual acrylic onto the flatbed of the UV printer, it will print in the correct location. And I'm checking the color settings and everything looks good. I do have the white behind any colored pixel, and I had to go back and make sure to mirror the image because we will not be printing on top of the acrylic keychain. We are going to be printing on the back of it, and so I want to make sure that the color is laid first and then the white is laid on top, kind of similar to what we or how we print for DTF. That's how I'm printing this one. Now you don't have to print it that way all the time. So here we are now at the printer, and the printer is printing onto the acrylic piece. It only took maybe about 5 to 6 minutes to print the entire thing. All right, so we're done printing. That's how the back looks. If you want, you can put more white on it, or you could print on the front and then have another design on the back, but this is what we have so far. And when you're done, it does come off. You can touch it. All right, so let's see. And here is the reveal. I just got to peel the protective covering from the front. And that looks really, really good. So that's why it's important to print the white behind it so that it can be seen, because if not, you won't be able to see the color. So the keychains or the acrylic blanks, they don't come with the hardware, so you just have to have hardware for the keychain, but this is awesome. And I love that they include the SVG template so that you can design according to the acrylic blank.
Alright guys, so we're all done, and
we only got to one item from my 143 vinyl order, but guess what? It's okay because this came out so nice. I love how this came out, and we used our UV printer to get this done. So what I do like about these acrylic pieces from 143 vinyl is that, one, they're only $1, and I can apply some vinyl onto here. I can also apply stickers, and I can coat it with UV resin or regular epoxy. I love the fact that 143 vinyl, on their website, they have a download, a SVG download of the actual acrylic pieces so that you can design within the parameters of the acrylic piece that you purchase. I think that is amazing. I love that. So I will probably be getting more acrylic pieces. Yes, I do have a few laser cutters, but the convenience of just ordering these from them at $1 and then turning this around and making custom items with it, it's super easy, and especially if you don't have a laser to be able to cut your own acrylic. So I'm really excited about these. But y'all, look how cute this came out. So we are going to get around to using the puff vinyl, just not in this video, in another video. If you are interested in anything that I purchased, a link to 143 vinyl will be listed in the description. Also, a link to ProColored will be listed in the description if you are interested in getting a UV printer. I love using the UV printer in this way. So if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure to head over to Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok and join Craftable Things there as well. That's it for today, y'all. Thank you all so very much for watching. Until next time.